Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. So in today's video we are going to talk about Micellar Water. I'm sure you must have heard about this product a lot in the past. So yeah, today we are going to talk about it, and the one that I'm using today is from Skin Science. I've recently started using raw products and I'm really enjoying them. So I very recently stumbled upon this product and I thought that I should definitely give this one a try as well. This is a bit different from the generic micellar waters available because it has a lavender hydrosol, aloe vera leaf juice and cucumber extracts. All of them moisturize your skin, keeps it calm and keeps irritations at a distance. So yes, it's basically a multi-purpose product, and the packaging looks somewhat like this. So you have to basically push the top to get the product on a cotton pad, and this is the size. So yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of makeup on my face. I have foundation, concealer, powder, waterproof eyeliner, I've done my eyebrows, I have mascara on, and I have a really difficult liquid lipstick on my lips as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some product on one cotton pad and I'm going to remove the makeup from half of my face. Now, talking about micellar waters in general, it's something which has water consistency but it has elements called micelles which basically pull out all dirt, toxins and sebum from your skin without drying it out or without irritating it. So it particularly suits all skin types actually, so it's a very good thing, and it doesn't sting your eyes as well. So yes, it is very good at removing your general day-to-day makeup, and you can see with a little bit of effort you can also remove your stubborn waterproof makeup as well, like the one I'm wearing, the lipstick. And yes, that's more or less about micellar waters. I generally like them a lot on a daily basis, even on days when I'm not wearing makeup and I've been out throughout the day and I have dealt with sun, pollution and everything. I generally like to come back home and just take a cotton pad and clean my face with micellar water first and then go ahead with my normal cleansing routine. So yeah, there's also one thing, that this particular micellar water is a little soapy. It gets a little soapy when you rub it against your skin. I think it actually helps in breaking down the makeup really well. So you will have to rinse your face off with water after using this micellar water, but that's what I generally do after every micellar water that I've used in the past. So yeah, all you have to do is just rinse your face, or even if you want to do a deep cleansing routine, then you can go ahead with other products as well, but this will definitely take away all your makeup. So yeah, I have used another cotton pad on the other half of my face and I see that it's squishy clean, there's nothing left on my face, and you can see how the cotton pads are filled with all the foundation, the concealers and everything. And then I'm just going to rinse my face off, because this might feel a bit sticky after application, so rinsing off is always a good habit. So just go ahead, rinse off and pat dry your face, and you will feel the difference. You will feel like you were not wearing makeup at all. So yes, I really like this product and I do recommend micellar waters. They are amazing, and if you are into makeup you must have it. Even if you're not into makeup, you should have a good cleanser with you, and micellar water is amazing. It suits all skin types, guys. So yeah, that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. I love you guys so much. Ta-da!